Welcome to my another YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add featured channel. First go to YouTube and search for the channel you want to feature. I have recently created a channel of AID tutorial series. You can go and subscribe to that channel. Just right click on your mouse and copy the link address, then go to the my channel. Here you can see, click on it and you can see plus add channel icon here in the right side. Click on the add channel and paste the link you have copied here and click on add, then click on done. Whenever anyone visit in your channel page, they can see here another featured channel, and they can also click on subscribe for that channel. In this way you can feature other channel in your main channel. Thanks for watching.